In this video you will learn how to buy XRP on the Xaman Wallet. Download and set up Xaman Wallet. Install the Xaman Wallet on your device, then create a wallet and back up your security and safe key. Verify your account and security settings. Enable biometric login or passcode to secure the wallet before handling funds. Open your XRP wallet address. Go to your account dashboard and copy the XRP wallet address, then the destination tag if available. Choose a crypto exchange that sells XRP. Use a trusted exchange like Binance, Coinbase, BitGet to buy XRP for your preferred payment method. Transfer XRP to your Xaman wallet. In the exchange withdrawal, paste your Xaman wallet address and your destination tag, then confirm your transaction. Confirm the XRP deposit, return to the Xaman wallet, refresh your balance and your XRP will appear. Once the transaction is complete on the XRP Ledger, now you know how to buy XRP on Xaman wallet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.